Today we talk about how can you find transactions on your app, on your Olymptrade app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on transactions, you just click on it. So then here it's going to take you to next step here, just switching to open video. Here you will find on transactions you have. Like you see here, I have no transactions yet, but automatically if you have it here in this list, it's going to show for you like this here on your Olymptrade app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So thank you for your